Welcome back. I want to do a little video on the XLOOKUP function, specifically on how to search a range of values or search an approximate value. So in this case, we have, as an example, we have a list of invoices that are different amounts, what have you, and we want to calculate a commission based on the amount, but it's based on a range down here in this table. So 500 and below is 5%, 15,000 and below is 10%, 25 and below is 15%, and so on down the line. And so, as you can see in this column, we have a bunch of values that don't hit these numbers. So this cool little feature in XLOOKUP is that it can search for approximate values. So we say XLOOKUP, and then the lookup value is going to be here because we want to know based on the amount how much commission to charge. So then comma. Then we want to do the lookup array, which is down here. I'm going to hit F4 to lock that, comma. Then we want the return array, which is the commission amount, which is in this column. And we're going to hit F4 to lock that. We're not going to do a queued text message if not found because we're searching approximate. Now, when we get to this point, you see this exact match or next smaller item. So because it's this and below, it's 500 and below, it's going to be 5%. So we're going to do a -1, and that is going to return the next number below. So then we do copy it down, and you can see, so 26,000, well, it's not here, it's going to be 15%. 30,000, it's going to be 2%, or 20%. So now if we had, if it had been a situation where this is the minimum, and we go to the next, then we can try this out and we can say, okay, we want to do 1. So that goes to the next tier. So 26,000 is here. Instead of 0.15, it's going to go up here. But I don't know why anybody would do that. So there you have it. Ways to look up. Now you can use this with you can use this on a grading scale. You know, A is, you know, an F is 500 or below, is, you know, whatever it is, you know, 60, 59% and below, and all those things. So you could do it on a grading scale. You could, you know, do pricing discount for quantity discounts in a spreadsheet. Tons of different uses for this. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.